Ay, halinan. So guys, hi Len. Ay, halinan. Madayaw, Davao! Welcome to Malagos Garden Resort! So hi guys, namin sa Malagos karon. Alam mo ba yan?
Alam niyo yan? Nascam me. Na-scam me.
Imbis na mo ang budget kay 1.5 to 2K. Kung anday 50.
Like 850 na.
Hi guys! So we're in
Sa Malagos Garden Resort.
yeah, so namin karon sa free shuttle nila. And quick facts sa Malagos. So Malagos is a man-made and natural nature park, and it has also its
Many attractions
Many.
like chocolate museum,
yes,
bird show,
bird
bird feeding.
and everything. So later, atong tanawon. See you guys later.
Madalas, pag lumilipad po silang kapitan in the Philippine forest, napagkakamalan po silang mga Philippine eagle.
Meanwhile, hi guys, so namin karon diri sa ilahang lunch buffet. So ang among day tour is with lunch buffet gud diri. So dili pwede nga walay lunch.
Gutom na.
Di siya tag 300 but 849. Pretty pa rin.
Pretty parent, kahit na-scam. Pretty parent, kahit na-scam. What's up naman?
And feeling na mo na yung magkanta karon or si Sir. Ay, sayaw.
Want to relax, Malagos Garden Resort is a perfect place to go.
Few minutes later. Our second destination is Bukid Amara. So guys, mao ni ang new urban farming away from Davao City.
Located at Block 50, Lot 2, Deca Homes, Taloma, Davao City.
The rating hours 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m.
No entrance fee for 6 years old below kids and 100 pesos entrance fee for adults.
So yes, see you later. Tuyok-tuyok sa amin. Atut. Hey guys, so we are in the sunflower. Daghan kayo malambuan nga sunflower diri guys.
Yeah.
Diba?
Alagang-alaga.
Malagang alaga. Medyo kulang pa ang ilahang tanom. Joke.
Sakto lang.
Sakto lang.
Pero nindot na.
Very relaxing.
Yes. Tama ra mo adto dirig mga
These
hapon.
flowers are so beautiful.
Mga hapon kay kung ano pod. And pwede ra pod diri mag photoshoot, guys.
Also,
Their prenup is worth of 3-5 pesos. Yes. Oh, dagat. Ay, dagat.
also free entrance for 6 person.
Yes.
First 6 person. Tapos kapag lumagpas, may
As in?
may
Guys, fun fact. Actually, makita agad ang Mount Apo sa likod. Kaso lang, hapon namin ni Adto. So, medyo pagi
So,
na.
kung moadto mo dire, make sure it's morning para
Morning.
makita ang Mount
Mount
Apo.
Apo. Hi, guys!
Hi guys! So at the end of the day, after a long day, kapuyon mo yun ta. So, ato tag Big Bang guys. Affordable lang ilang food, sisig, 99 only, with live band.
Yes!
very
Mga anta!
sulit for 99 pesos. Very sulit.
Ikapoy namin.